Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on HOTWAV T5 Pro. So on this device we have a Google Lens, so it's very easy and quick. In the first step, open the Google Photos app. And now just look for the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one. Now click on the Google Lens icon and whole process starting automatically, and we're looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area to look for something more specific, just swipe the edge and the square. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.